Hi, my name is Nancy Victor. Are you new to making money online? If yes, welcome to our channel, VVO Money School, where we teach beginners the practical and scam-free ways of making money online. Join one of our online teachers, Jeff, as he answers the two common questions beginners often ask about how to make money online. Over to you, Jeff.
Two common questions beginners ask about how to make money online, and their honest answers. If you're new to the idea of making money online, chances are you've asked, or are still asking, these two important questions. Number one, is it possible for anybody to make money online? Number two, do people really make money online legitimately? These are not silly questions, so don't be ashamed of asking them. If you're asking them, we would like to say clearly here that you are not alone. Like the title of this video says, they are the most common questions most of our new students ask when they first come to us with the intention of making money online. To them, making money online sounds like nothing more than hype, that is, something exaggerated on the internet to deceive unsuspecting novices. And honestly, we understand why. Here's why. Almost everywhere you look online, you see headlines like "Make money overnight," "Earn thousands of dollars with no effort and without lifting a finger," or "Click a button and get paid." After witnessing or seeing scams, fake screenshots, and empty promises, many people start to believe that making money online is either impossible or only works for a few lucky people. So naturally, beginners begin to ask, is this thing even real? Do people actually get paid online? Or is it all a lie? Today, we would like to share with you the simple but honest answer we usually give to our students, an answer that completely changes their mindset. Our answer to the questions, is it possible for anybody to make money online? And do people really make money online legitimately? Therefore is, yes, it is possible to make money online. And yes, people really make money online legitimately. This is not theory. It is not a motivation talk. It's reality. In fact, millions of people across the world are already making money online. Some earn small side income, others earn enough to pay their bills, and many earn a full-time living online. They work from home. They work from their laptops. Some even work from their phones. So the real question should not be if it is possible, but how it is done. You may be wondering, how do we know all this? The answer is simple, because we and some of our past students are living witnesses to the fact that money can be made online. We have been making money online for several years now, using our money-making knowledge and skills. Here are some of the ways we earn online. By offering services such as website design, web graphics design, video creation and video editing, digital marketing, search engine optimization, commonly called SEO, and other online services. People and businesses come to us with problems bothering these and other areas, and we provide solutions using our skills, and in return, they pay us. This is not guesswork. So when we say making money online is real, we are not repeating what we heard on social media, nor what someone else said. Rather, we are speaking from our personal experiences. And that's why we can confidently say that making money online is not magic. It is not luck. It is not fraud. It is simply value exchange. You solve a problem. You provide value. You get paid. Now, let's answer an important bonus question. Who can really make money online? The answer is, any serious-minded person with the right knowledge, skills, and mindset can make money online. You do not need to know everything at once. You do not need to be a tech genius. You do not need expensive tools to start. What you really need is this: a willingness to learn, patience to grow, discipline to practice, and consistency to keep going. Many beginners fail not because online money is fake, but because of their lack of belief in the system and a quick urge to give up too early. Most of them want fast results. They want instant success, and when it doesn't come immediately, they quit. But those who stay, learn, and improve, they are the ones who succeed. Beyond ourselves, there are thousands, if not millions, of credible individuals and companies across the world who are earning legitimate income online. Some run blogs, some run YouTube channels, others run e-commerce stores, freelance businesses, online courses, and other digital agencies. Proof of this fact is everywhere on the internet. In our opinion, the real problem is not whether money can be made online. The real problem is the question beginners ask. Instead of asking, is it possible to make money online, or do people really make money online legitimately, the better and more productive question should be, how do I make money online? Once you start asking how, something is bound to change in your life. Your mindset will begin to shift from doubt to learning, from fear to curiosity, from watching to doing. And that's where real progress begins. The internet rewards people who learn skills, apply knowledge, and stay consistent. This is exactly what this channel is about. In the coming videos, we'll be holding you by the hand and showing you practical ways to make money online, skills you can learn and monetize, the mistakes most beginners make and how you can avoid them, honest strategies that actually work. All these you will get without hype, fake promises, and illegal shortcuts. That will be based on real guidance from our vast experience. If you're serious about learning how to make money online, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone you think will benefit. And don't forget to press the notification button so YouTube will notify you whenever we publish a new and interesting video like this one. Watch out for our next video, which will reveal the real reasons most people who want to make money online are yet to do so, even when they had tried so much, and how you can convert those reasons to your own advantage. Keep a date with us. Bye, and God bless you.